Hi guys, my friend Ral, I can't really say his name, has brought me some things for my dishwasher, and I'm going to show you what we've got from him. Now they didn't have four of what I wanted, but that's okay. I mean, at least we've got the thing. Actually, I'll do it on the floor. I don't want to. Sorry about this, guys. It's hard to make out where you should do your things. Okay, let's do it over here. So, we've got quite a lot of things. So, hi guys. My friend Rev has brought me these for my dishwasher. Now, you remember in my last review about my finish? They haven't run out, but we brought these for an experiment. We're gonna see if Fairy is actually better than finish. I mean, it might not be recommended by your dishwasher company, but hey, I mean, Fairy is actually partners with Finish. And, you know, that's all clickbait. They're partners with their company. He's also brought me some mint sage, which is sweet because, I mean, we do have the total action still, but it's nice as a spare bottle, not battle. Also got some Finish cleaning bottles, which is what's gonna go upside down in the dishwasher. We'll look at the video, well I will, telling me how many times a month I'll have to use these. And this is a new Finish mint sage. There's 5 power action. Mint says residue. Speeds up drying. Lights water spots. Fill or foul protection. And a brilliant shine. And this is the Fairy. Now, I've seen reviews and it is a problem on the back. You can barely make out any writing. Yeah, it's very, very small. No matter, you have to put it proper close. And my camera can't even get there. Again, like Finish, it tells you what to do. Now, you don't actually have to wash your hands. It even says that there. It says here, again, how to put in. It says you put it in with the liquid facing up. Just like the Finish tells you. You can see here it says don't rip, and look carefully here. It actually has another, like the Finish, it has the resealable line. That lets me know that they are actually partners with Fairy. And after seeing their new advert about this new Fairy Platinum all-in-one, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to get my friend Rail to buy this. And it actually tells you it cleans all dishes and cups, it cleans baked on food, it simulates that pan, spatula, and the lasagna plate. So my camera is so sensitive to move to screen revolution. You've also got the spec where it tells you about cleaning your filter. Now on YouTube most people think that's to clean grease from your dishes, but they have it mistaken. It's actually for cleaning your filter. I'm not gonna open this yet because you know, it's got 30 of these inside one pack. This is our best for tough challenges and greasy filter. It says here to reseal the line, because as you can see it's got the dissolvable wrapper. Now I think that's for cleaning the grease from the filter and dishes and all that. I think that's on top of rinse aid or so. And I think that's like some type of salt. And then you've obviously got your detergent. Here it says tested and recommended by Whirlpool. So Whirlpool does recommend you use these things. Of course they do. If we like this, the main thing is this, and if we do like these things, and if we think they're good, we're gonna buy a big box of these, and there's a lot, and you get random packets of the platinum, different generations, and I think there's some information on the back of these, of these specs. Yeah, these months. So yeah, most people are gonna realize that you have to put it upside down. Bottom rack is quite important. No, they actually recommend finished. It's kind of lying there. They actually recommend you put it on the actual hottest cycle. Now that's to put the best cleaning into the dishwasher, because you obviously want the dishwasher to clean at itself at a high temperature so that it gets rid of anything like gunk build up, any residue and all that. And we also got rinse aid. Now my dishwasher has so far not been asking for any more rinse aid. The total action I've got, by the way, doesn't matter because this is just a spare now. I'll keep that in my bedroom for a spare. And we'll have it in this box because that's like my storage box. This is new. Got all these sorts of things. It says shine and protect, glass protection. Rinse aid, blah blah blah. Now I again always like to see if it has any information. Now these are not all, there's more companies recommended. Neff is on here, but it's so small and they can't really put much companies on. But they have put Bosch, Inset, Trolux, Siemens. But Hot Sauce is another another dishwasher recommended. And actually, it even says it. Oh, sorry, my tablet's slipping out of my hand. It says finished rinse aid has 5 power actions and a glass protection ingredient for shiner and dryer dishes. For optimal result, use it even on top of your multi-benefit tabs. Taps against glass corrosion when used with finish shine and protect. It disintegrates and protects. No, it says with finish shine and protects detergents, virus detergent alone. Yeah, and it just shows you not what to do there. Yeah. So, in my opinion, we don't know how all these are gonna do yet. I definitely know cleaning thing there is definitely gonna clean. I mean, say this definitely gonna work. Well, the main thing is that Fairy Platinum. We actually want to see if Fairy does not lie, because if a company of detergents or if a company lies to you, it just makes them a bad company, really. Don't trust the companies that lie to you. So we do want to prove that this can and will clean, maybe better than finish. Because when I saw a comparison of how quick these dissolve, in a short cycle these dissolve much quicker than the finish. But is that true? Or is it just a clickbait on a video? Because me and Ray want to actually see for ourselves the dishwasher. Yeah. Now we'll show you my dishwasher. Put these all back. In there goes these. Lots of wire in there. So polishing cloth. Put that out. Put our rinse back in. And our fairy platinum. Now let's show you. I'm actually going to put this up high. Not out of the reach. Just out of the reach of like pets, because our dog likes to eat whatever it sees. Okay, now let's show you the dishwasher. This is my net. This is its net. It's got all. So yeah, this is my net. Again, it's got the recommended by finish. This net on bottom. Timer, half load, cycles, down, up for the cycles, then cleaning, drying, rinse, salt, breathing up, and start. Show you the racks. I've actually already started loading it up. You see we've got plates. Everyone's already started to load. You can see, yeah, we've loaded it all up.
And one upstairs. Nadaif is odbiornik. Yeah.
So, yeah guys.
Oh no, both send them both.
So yeah guys. I'm pretty excited already. We're gonna now I'm gonna bring down my fairy tablet. I meant my fairy packet. Just to show comparison which one looks better. You can comment down telling me which one looks better. Like vote for the companies. Vote for which one you think is gonna be better, or which one is gonna do worse. You probably remember from my finished all-in-one Max video that you know what the package looks like, but you obviously haven't seen compared with the fairy tablet. Oh, I have to be careful, we don't want to puncture any of the wrapping. Now to me, the reason fairy ones also dissolve quicker is also because I think their wrapper for their, for the tablet is actually weaker. So, looking at this, which one would you think is better? Now, if you look here, I'm not sure if this one actually has recommended by Nationals 1. No, it doesn't, but it does have 1 times more tablets than the finish, which means you don't have to buy as many more packs. Now there are, yeah. So yeah guys. Also fairy ones are actually new. The finish has been out. These finish all-in-one packs have been out pretty decent time on your supermarket. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Peace out. And yeah, I already said about commenting and all that. So, see ya.